One thing we get asked by clients is why we require a list of assets and liabilities in our system. We do this quite deliberately, and there are two important reasons for this. The first, on your death, by law, your estate needs to be administered by an executor. Before the executor can distribute any assets, he or she needs to settle any legitimate claims from creditors. This could include home and vehicle loans, credit cards, and other liabilities. At the same time, the executor needs to draft accounts of all assets so they can be distributed as per your will. By listing all your assets and liabilities, the executor will have full insight into what makes up your estate. This speeds up the winding up of the estate considerably, as it also avoids unexpected claims against your estate that reduces what your beneficiaries would receive. You also want to make sure all policies are claimed. In South Africa, we have a staggering 42 billion rands in unclaimed policies. By having all this information available, the executor also doesn't have to chase family members as they try to find out what these policies are and what makes up your estate, which can be very distressing. Things get missed, and it delays the whole process. The second reason you want to document your assets and liabilities is to have a clear idea of the costs associated with winding up your estate. A lot of people are not aware of these costs, which include estate duties, executor fees, and potentially conveyancing fees. One of our key features is we have calculators that work in the background while you complete your will. Once you've completed your information, the calculators will give you an indication of the fees your estate will be liable for. These calculators are based mainly on the size of your assets and liabilities. The calculators will also identify any potential gaps in your estate planning. So, we would encourage you to take time to complete the assets and liabilities section as comprehensively as possible. You also want to keep this as updated as possible as your circumstances change. Again, we would like to stress that you are not alone, and our consultants are available for you at any time to give you professional guidance and advice or answer any questions you might have. Let's continue the journey together.